All right, so what's going on, guys? So the nice people over at Bali Outdoors sent me this fire pit grill combo right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to unbox this, get this thing all put together. I'm going to cook some stuff on it. I don't know how many cooks I'm going to do for the video, but I'm definitely going to make some chicken tacos. So you guys probably want to stick around and check that out, but I'm just getting everything out of here right now. Going to get everything situated, and then we're going to slap this thing together and check it out. You got the legs right here. Just screw these into the base of the fire pit. Feels like decent construction. It's pretty lightweight, but it doesn't feel cheap. Feels pretty good. Pretty much it. I think it's not too heavy. Can move it around. Not that bad. So the thing I just changed out was this part right here. It was over here and it was blocking this little insert for the adjustable grill. So I just changed that out real quick. This is what we got. You got the little swing around grill right there. And you got this little bar right here. So if you want to raise it, pretty high like that, it's pretty decent. So that's that for right now, but I think tomorrow I'm gonna grill up some tacos, get this fire going, and I'll show you guys when I do that. All right, so it's the next day, and basically yesterday I just did a burn-in process to where I just got a fire going and got it nice and hot just to burn everything in. Just wanted to get some fire on these grill grates just to burn off any factory stuff and just kind of play with some fire and get some fire on the grill. But yeah, that's what it looks like. It comes with a little tripod in the middle so you can prop up the wood. I'm just going to get the fire going right now, and then we're going to cook some stuff up. It's not necessary, but I'm using a little bit of some lump charcoal just in the middle, just for a little bit of kindling, I guess. All right, so just to give you a quick rundown about this fire pit as far as specs goes, I mean, it's pretty simple because at the end of the day, it's just really a fire pit with a grill attachment. So from end to end, it's 40 inches. The actual fire bowl is 25 inches. Then you got the 360-degree grate. One little gripe I do have is there's a little chain that kind of gets stuck a little bit, so you might want to watch out for that. But that's, it's kind of minimal. It's not that big of a deal. All right, so I'm making a salsa. It's gonna be a hatch chili and avocado salsa. Just getting all this veg on here. Got the hatch chilies, got onion, some tomatillos, a few serranos. And I got some garlic in the paper, just so it doesn't burn up. I'm gonna throw it on there. And one fell through. Saved it. So for this salsa, we got one avocado going in. And so for the chilies, I went through and took off as much of the skin as possible as I could. Took off the stems at the end. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just do, as good a job as you can. So they're all going in there. Tomatillos, onion, garlic, all going in. Got a good handful of cilantro going in there. Juice of 1 lime. Got a good pinch of salt. I'm gonna add a little bit of water in there, just to loosen it up because the avocado is going to thicken it up pretty good. Basically, whatever consistency you want with the salsa, just add a little more water to however you like it. All right, now grill's nice and hot. We're going on with some chicken thighs. And whenever you make tacos, always use thighs because breast just sucks. Like, super dry. not a lot of flavor to it. So I just always go with thighs. I didn't do any fancy marinade on these. I just did a jalapeno, kind of an all-purpose rub, put a little chili powder, garlic powder, and a tiny bit of cumin because I don't want it to be overpowering, but these shouldn't take too long. Should probably take like, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes. Just flip them every so often. All right, so there it is, guys. That's the Bali Outdoors 40-inch fire pit grill combo. And I just made some nice looking chicken tacos. Oh yeah. So when I put this video out, there should be a discount code down below. Just to go over it one more time, the things I love about that is it's a portable fire pit. You don't have to stay in one space in the backyard. You can move it around. It's a cool little grill if you like some wood-fired stuff. Direct grilling. Chicken, steaks, burgers, hot dogs, stuff like that. It's pretty cool. And I gotta wait a few months for the fire pit feature because it's like 113 degrees outside right now, so I'm not even trying to mess with any of that. So I'll figure that out in a few months. It's gonna come in handy then, but it's crazy hot outside. Like I was sweating when I was doing the video. So other than that, the only gripes I have would be the actual grill kind of sags a little bit when you have it on the highest setting. It's not that big of a deal, but just to point it out. And then the 360 feature, the chain gets stuck a little bit and it kind of, like I said, it kind of gets caught up in there a little bit, but you just have to mess around with it and it works fine. Other than that, I highly recommend it. If I was going to pay money for it, because they sent this out to me for free just to do the video and show you guys. If I was going to pay for that fire pit, I'd probably they have a larger model, I'd probably get that one. Just because I want a larger grill surface, but really no complaints. Thank you to Bali Outdoors for sending that to me. Thanks for watching the video. If you made it all the way through, I'll see you on the next one, guys. Peace out.